Hi, Bob. This is Michael Grant at Applied CAX. You're going to, after you open that utility, yours is probably blank. You're going to browse, and then most likely yours is under Program Files. No, I think mine's in a different spot, actually. Mine's under Siemens License Server. So you got to find, basically wherever your NX is installed is probably where your Siemens license server is. And then for the first line, you're finding lmgrd.exe. So this one, the license file, which I would just copy into this folder. You can leave this window open, go to like your downloads in your other window and drag it over, or copy. Now it won't show up because of what extension, but you can say all files and then it will show up, and you can name it whatever. SPLM 11. I don't know why that's a common name, but you could do that and then change the extension to LIC, but you don't have to, it'll still work. So point this one to where your lmgrd.exe is, point this one to where the license file is. Once you open the license, once you point it to where the license file is, you are going to want to edit. And so you can do that during the process of picking it or before you put it in that folder. At some point, you're going to want to open it. So I just right-clicked open with Notepad++. You need to put your computer name here. And then the port needs to change to 29,000. So that should be 29,000. And then your computer name, what I do is just type like ADV advance into your search and then go down to view advanced settings. And under that, one of them will be computer name under system properties, MSI. So MSI for me would go right here. For you, it'll be different. Then you just hit save. So 29,000 MSI, save. Then this utility will see that. The debug, you can name whatever, but you're going to pick a folder to put that, name the file, and then it'll point to that for logging. And then you need to put a name here. It might have threw one in, but you can type a name there, say save service. That should save your service. Check that these are set. And then you can restart your computer. That'll start and stop the service just to make sure it reads that license file. These buttons here are supposed to work. What I think works better is if you go to this search utility, type service, and once you see services in your start menu, click that. Now that name you gave that, so in my case it was Siemens PLM license server, Siemens license server. Right click this, say stop. Once it stops, right click it, say start. Okay, so then you're sure that it's running, you're sure that it's reading the license file. Last part is to go to two places. One is under, and this snips of this are under that ticket email chain too. Then you're going to go to Siemens NX tool, licensing tool. Should pull up at some point. Okay, so it finally pulled up. So where this needs to say 29,000 at localhost. So you could say edit and just type localhost there. Or you can type your server name. Both of those work. Localhost just means it's going to figure out what your name is and populate that. You can also confirm your server name there. So that's one edit. And then I think your bundle, you're going to need to pick whatever you have there, put it in the right. Um, I don't know why mine's not picked. Um, and then you can close that. So apply and close it. Last thing, sorry, this is so difficult. Go to the start menu, type ADV again. View advanced settings. You can hit the enter key on your keyboard. And then under advanced environment variables, on the lower screen, scroll down, and there's going to be one, that's a lot, should be, oh, there it is, Siemens. You'll want that to say, edit, because right now it's pointed to, your server, your remote server. You're going to want to change that to the 20, or just confirm it has 29,000 at localhost. And that is it.